How to find academic sources. Prior to finding said sources, we must identify what the different types of academic sources there are. We can find reliable academic sources through any of the following: library, online periodicals, professionals, magazines, and websites. This is an example of Algonquin College's online database. In the text box, you may input any keywords pertaining to your field of research. Check the box below indicating full text in order to retrieve full periodicals that will benefit your research findings. When clicking search, several sources will arise from several types of periodicals. They may then be downloaded for additional use in your research process. When in doubt, talk to the librarian. They may guide you in the right direction and provide suggestions on research topics that you may not have thought of. You may also speak to professionals in your field of research. They will be able to suggest specific sources, i.e. books or websites. They can point you toward existing studies on your research and even inform you on current issues, all necessary in building substantial research. Magazines can be a great resource as well. Take, for example, researching interior design. Magazines such as Architectural Record, Contract, Azure, and online magazines such as ArcDaily and Dezeen are great sources. They provide case studies relevant to interior design with plans and external sources to furniture, materials, and lighting. They provide articles written by professionals in your field of research, which can prove to be especially helpful in building solid, credible research. The internet can be a quick way to find credible resources, but you have to be careful. We know how easy it is to input something into Google and get fast results. These results, however, may not be credible. In order to get these good, credible results, we must input this information that we'd like to find into Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a more credible source which provides scholarly articles and periodicals similar to the Algonquin College Library database. Once you have found these sources, you must then ask yourself the following questions to ensure that your sources are credible. Is the site sourced in bibliography or footnote form? Is it written by an expert or professional in the field of research? Are the credentials stated? Does it have formal appearances, i.e., organized information? Does it have specialized terms? How long is the source? Reliable sources are usually no less than 7 pages long and often more than 20 pages. Does the source contain in-depth studies and/or original research? And does the source contain advertisements? Sources that have many advertisements can be considered unreliable. Once you have asked and answered these questions, you can then be confident that the sources you've chosen are reliable. This will then allow you to create thorough and extensive research.